If you're looking for added security for your home, then look no further than this Canary all-in-one security camera. Simple to set up, there's no need to install this device. Simply put the Canary on a shelf or table, connect to the internet, and link to your mobile or tablet. Get instant protection for your home without a complicated setup. Smart alerts enable your Canary to adapt to you. It will recognise when you're in the house, adjust to your preferences, and auto-arm if it detects you're not there or if there's unusual activity in your home. You can carry on as usual, knowing that your house is protected and you're not getting unnecessary notifications. The 1080p HD camera records in clear and sharp detail. With automatic night vision and a wide-angle lens, you can continuously capture footage even when the lights are out. Enjoy peace of mind that you'll be able to see clearly even if something happens in the night. In a sleek design and stylish black finish, this Canary all-in-one security camera offers added protection from theft and intruders.